Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add a link to your YouTube channel. At first in the browser I am going to incognito mode to see how my channel looks like. In the address bar I am writing youtube.com. It's coming, please wait. Now in the search bar I am writing my channel's name. Yes, this is my channel's name. I am clicking here to see how my channel looks like. And I'm clicking here to see how many links I have given here. I have given here 2 links only. If I like to give my social media links and website links here, I can add here. Now I am showing you how to add more links here. Okay, I'm closing it. I'm minimizing this incognito mode. Now I'm opening the normal browser mode, YouTube. Here I'm clicking on it, and now YouTube Studio. I'm going there. Here, if you drop down the left column, you will see here customization option. I'm clicking on it. Here you will get this option, basic info. Okay, or you can do the same thing. I'm going back to show you the other way. Click here and click here your channel, and here you will get this option, customize channel. You can click here to get that option. Please wait. The same thing it is showing. Okay, I am clicking here basic info. Please scroll down. Here you will get different options. Here you will get option links. I have given these 2 links here. Now I like to add more links. Okay, for that I am clicking here add link. Here I like to show Twitter link. Now I will write here the title, my Twitter link. Here I will paste the link. Okay, I am going to my Twitter account. This is the Twitter account, but I am going to profile to show my account links here. I am pressing Ctrl+A to select the address here, Ctrl+C to copy it, and going back here. Now I'm pasting here using Ctrl+V from keyboard. Okay, this is my Twitter link. Now I like to add my Facebook link. I'm clicking here add link. I'm writing the title at first, Facebook page. Okay, here I will give the link. Okay, I'm going there, Facebook. Here is my page. Okay, I'm clicking here right arrow, then selecting the text, copying using keyboard Ctrl+C, then I'm pasting here Ctrl+V using keyboard, or you can use mouse to copy paste here. The other one, I like to add my Instagram link. Add link. I'm clicking here. Follow me in Instagram. Okay, I'll give the link here. I am going to Instagram to get my Instagram link, my profile. I'm copying it in the same way and going there to paste it. See here, 3 links I have already added. My Twitter link, the title is here, link address is here. Facebook link, the title is here, actual link is here. Instagram, the link's title is here, the link address is here. Now I will click here, publish. I'm clicking here. You can check it in the incognito mode. It was the previous one. Say, before doing this, the first and second links are shown. Now I have already given my Twitter link, my Facebook page link, my Instagram link, etc. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.